Ready for speed, power, and pure adrenaline? Today, I'll show you the best RC cars on AliExpress 2025. High-performance machines built for racing, stunts, and non-stop fun. The WLtoys 1 to 16. Scale RC car is built for speed and durability, reaching up to 50 km per hour with its powerful motor and 4WD system. Its rugged off-road design makes it perfect for racing on dirt, grass, or pavement, while the 2.4G remote control ensures stable and precise handling even at high speeds. Compact but tough, this RC monster truck delivers an adrenaline-filled experience for beginners and enthusiasts alike. I was blown away by the speed and control. It feels like a mini racing beast. Battery life is solid, and the build quality is very sturdy for the price 5 stars. The MJX 14301 Hyper Go. 1/14th RC car takes performance to the next level with its brushless motor, hitting an impressive 65 km per hour. Its four-wheel drive traction, shock-absorbing suspension, and high-quality chassis make it ideal for both racing tracks and rugged terrain. The responsive 2.4G remote system allows for smooth control, while the realistic design adds to the thrill of high-speed off-road driving. Perfect as a hobby-grade RC car, it delivers both power and reliability. This RC car is insanely fast. The brushless motor makes a huge difference. Feels premium, handles jumps and rough surfaces easily. A must-have for RC fans. 5 stars.